In terms of assistance provided by the National Response Cluster under the food and non-food items, a total of 6.4 million worth of assistance have been provided so far. No? Of this amount, 4.4 million was extended by the DSWD, 447,060 came from various local government units, and 1.5 million were provided by other partners. These food and non-food items consisting of 4,776 family food packs, 2,699 ready-to-eat food, 150 modular tents. So ang ating DSWD po ay meron pa pong stockpile on hand amounting to 2.3 billion pesos. As of this morning, a total of 426,000 or approximately 1.4 million individuals were preemptively evacuated in regions CAR 1, 2, 3, Calabarzon, Mimaropa, 5, 6, NIR 7, and 8 as a precautionary measure due to the potential impact of Tropical Cyclone 1. No? The effects of the typhoon were reported in 2,700 barangays, affecting around 231,000 families or 837,000 persons. Of these, 92,000 families or 318,000 individuals are currently staying inside 6,000 evacuation centers located across regions 4A, Mimaropa, 4B, 5, 6, NIR, 7, 8, and Caraga.